Come here. What are you afraid of? I know it's all too much right now. Come here. I can take the weight off. I know it's all too much right now. So mirror me so I can see. Take me to where you put the key. So mirror